Welcome to
Cyberbox.
Yo, what's up? Cyberox here. I really hope y'all like that intro, because that is probably the baddest intro I can ever make. God, I love it. So today's Python tutorial is going to be about, let me see, inputs. User inputs today. Alrighty, that's pretty cool. Now, actually, real quick, I'm going to be doing another segment on CMD, actually. Hey, that rhymes. CMD, actually. And, anyways, I'm basically going to be using command prompt to not really code languages, but to actually program and adventure around it. You know, it's always best to adventure. You know, I'm just so pumped up from my intro, man. I just made it like about 20 minutes ago, and I decided, hey, I got to show this off. Alright? So, let's go ahead and get down to it, shall we? Let's go and get over to my laptop. Alright. Now, oh yeah, inputs. Ha ha ha. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start. We are going to basically create a var, a variable actually, and to do this, or not really to make a var, but we're going to go ahead and we are going to type in whatever. So you can type in whatever. I'm going to type in literally whatever. No, I'm just going to type in W. No. How about intro? There you go, intro. Because that intro is so awesome, man. Anyways, I'm type in whatever you want and set it equal to input. Alrighty? And have parameters, and in the parameters have quotation marks. Now, what this is basically doing is basically you're going to ask the user a question, or you're just going to leave it right there so the user can put whatever, you know. And I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to type in enter any number, put a semi or colon, and make it look like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and it says enter any number, and the user's going to put whatever. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, basically do the same thing. Oopsie. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's time to move on, shall we? Go ahead and copy this code, your intro code, if you will. Go over here to File, New Window. It's time to make a program. Now, once you get a new file, come over here and, or basically, you know, edit your file, whatever. Now, in here, you're going to type in. Actually, you need to save the file first. So I'm going to go ahead and save as, and I have a screen over here, but I am saving it right now. Most likely default's going to load up in your Python browser, or like Python 2.7 or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and save it as test. Now what you have to do, you have to save it as .py. Always .py, so it knows, hey, it's Python. Yes, I want to replace it. Alrighty, now come over here, and we are going to actually, yeah, what we're going to do. Now what we're going to do is, sorry, I paused the video real quick. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we're going to be doing a whole segment today. I was not planning on this. I was actually hoping for the third tutorial, but, you know, my viewers are very special to me, and my intro is just killer, and I really want to do whatever right now. But, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Now, paste your code in here, the one that you did. Now, we're going to simply print intro, whatever your variable name is, and that's it. Alright, now we're going to hit enter, and we're going to type in raw, or actually no capital S, RAW underscore input. Alrighty, and we're going to set it equal to another parameter, more commentation or quotations, press greater than less than, enter to exit. Oh, Quexit. That's funny, Quexit. I think I'll leave that in there. I like that Quexit. Alrighty, now let me go ahead and give y'all a break. Let's break it down like a fraction, shall we? Now, raw input is just basically equals a system pause, meaning a user has to hit enter or whatever to close the program. Actually, he has to hit enter. That's what the brackets are for. It basically declares a key that has to be entered to exit, and it'll actually exit the program. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and Control S, save it. But go ahead, since y'all are watching, come over here, hit save. Alright, now I'm going to shrink it down. Load up my test file. And I come over here so I can show y'all what's going down. Here you go. Enter any number. 57. Hit enter. Ooh. That went really fast. Well, we made a little problem. Let's come over here. Let's find out what the problem is. Oh, wait. I think I know what it might be. Raw inputs. Okay, there is no equal. Just basic raw input. That's it. There you go. Alrighty, now let's do it again. Over here, let's run it again. Alrighty, now type in any number. 50. Booyah, there we go. We just printed it out. Booyah. Press enter to Quexit. I really like that Quexit. Alrighty, see? And we hit enter, and booyah, we're done. Alrighty, let's run it one more time. So I can show y'all. Press any number to exit, or press any number. Numbers only. But in this case, considering we don't have like, we're not really specific. We can also enter letters, but for the sake of this video, we're just gonna enter whatever. See, now it says our number, and we're just gonna type in a bunch of letters. See, it doesn't do nothing. I'm hitting space, shift, caps lock. I'm hitting all these buttons. I'm even hitting shift, but we hit enter, and it's gone. Alrighty. So now, whoa. So I got an error saying too many keys were hit. Computer thinks I'm lagging right now. Okay, we're gonna load it back up. Now we're gonna break it down like a fraction. All right. Basically, a raw input is equal. If you know C++, it's kind of like a system pause, or pretty much anything to do with pausing, because CMD, it runs, but it runs really fast. I mean, it goes boom, really fast, And so yeah, basically raw input is basically asking for the user to hit enter to Quexit, or exit if you will. So they have to hit a button to exit. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this out. I never tried this out before, but we're just going to type in E. Alright, now we're going to come over here and save it. See what happens when we hit E. Alright, now as you see, we can hit E all day and it's not going to exit, because we first have to enter a number. So we're going to type in 4. E, or capitalize E. Oh wow, never mind. Well, we can't do that. So basically what the user has to do is hit enter. So C++ or Python only has where you have to hit enter to exit, period. ENTER. Booyah. Alright. So yeah, that's the input function, or the input function in Python. I'm using Python 2.7. Also, head by the site. If you ever want to, join up with CyberRocks, considering the intro I just did was so freaking awesome. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm saying. Join CyberRocks is my intro. Dude, you don't need no other reason. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it helped. This is all about the input function and how to actually make a workable program. Alright, so I hope y'all went to download my games on the last video. Pretty cool games. If you have, I'm still waiting on a video response. So as always, my fellow Americans, thank you for watching CyberRocks, and as always, have a good day and God bless.